Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Biafrans all over the world. My name is Mazi Nnamdi, and we are live. We are streaming live. We are broadcasting live to update Biafrans, to tell you people how the trial is going there at Federal High Court Abuja. So without wasting much time, we're going to carry on. We're going to go ahead with today's proceedings, today's trial at Federal High Court Abuja. In case maybe you just joining the program, share the program, and let's have more people on. Jonathan Moses, good morning from here. Thank you. I think Jonathan is watching us from YouTube. Please, if you're on YouTube, let us know if we are live on YouTube. If you are joining us from YouTube, let us know. If you're on Facebook, let us know. Christian, they were from here. I am seeing all of you. Please, for those of you that is watching us on YouTube, please confirm if the sound and the picture quality is okay on YouTube. Then again, if you are watching on Facebook, right, let us know if the Facebook picture and the sound is okay. Kelechi Ndewo, thank you. Thank all of you for joining us on today's program. Today's date is the 28th day of June 2022, and all of us know that today is the continued trial of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Wait, someone said, oh wait, let me see if I will see that comment. Someone said the mic and the PC. I don't know what that person. Let me see if I will be able to see that comment. Just give me a moment. You say the sound is okay on Facebook. Okay, thank you, Arinze. But there's another comment. The piece. I don't know if that's piece or I don't know. Is it the piece and sound? Okay. Okay. Thank you, Michael Okoro. Thank you for that confirmation. Thank you so much, my brother. And thank you, Arinze, as well, for letting us know that the sound and the picture quality is perfect. I thank all of you for joining us on today's program. Today's date, like I was saying before, today's date is the 28th day of June 2022, and all of us know that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu already is in court. He's in court to continue his trial. If you go on our Facebook page, I am sorry for those of you that is watching us on YouTube. I am so sorry because I did not post our leader's picture and update on YouTube. But if you could come to our Facebook page, you will see a photo of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and our lawyer barrister Aloy Jimako. I posted that on our Facebook. So for some of you that maybe you're watching us on YouTube and you've not been able to see pictures of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there is one I posted on our Facebook. So do well, visit our Facebook page, go check it out. Just go and look it up. It's a picture, it's a new picture of our leader in Federal High Court Abuja this morning. So our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is already in court, and the proceedings has commenced. They have started the trial, so we are waiting for our barristers. When they are done with the proceedings, of course, they're definitely going to come out and brief us what happened at today's proceedings. Now, but before we carry on with today's program, I would like to play you a video. I know some of you are seeing some video of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and barrister Aloy Ejimako on your phone screen, right? So I'm going to play you that video. It's a very short clip of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court this morning, and that video was published by barrister Aloy Ejimako. It's very short clip, but I'm going to play you that video so you see. For some of you that's watching on YouTube, you'll be able to see a picture of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I know election 2023 is going on and internet is flooded with election and all of those things, and some of you who who usually go on internet to do one thing or the other probably might have forgotten that today is 28th of June, where our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be in court. And if you check on internet today, pardon me, let me say this: if we go on internet today, you hardly could see people streaming or updating about today's proceeding, about our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu who is in court. And it's sad, our people are kind of deviating. Our people are kind of focusing more on election than what our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going through at DSS custody. The agitation of Biafra, so many people are kind of election is taking them away from what is happening. I was online last night, and I was having a chat with a group of people, and someone said something, and the person were like, election is on, and we were trying to, the group of people on that chat where we were last night, and we were trying to correct the person, and the person say, oh, I didn't even know that tomorrow, which is today, is the day that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be in court. And this is one of us who claims to be Biafran, who is agitating for Biafra, and it's sad that all of these things is happening. So I digress a bit. I had to say that to let you know that most of us, some of us are really, our attention is really going away from what we are doing. Our attention is totally going away from our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But nevertheless, we're still going to do what we got to do. We'll continue with what we are doing. Already we've crossed the red line. There is no need to go back. There is no need to go back. Our attention is to get Biafra, and that's it. Our attention is the restoration of Biafra. Our attention is freedom. That is all we want. Either they are talking for election, we are not interested. If you are talking about 2023, we are not interested. Some of us saw what happened during the primary election, right? The governor of Delta State, and when they did their Southern East leaders, when they had their meeting, I think last year, that was last year or last 2 years, that meeting was held in Delta State, and Ifeanyi Okoye, who is now the running mate of Atiku, was the one who hosted that meeting last year, when they were talking about how they are going to bring the Igbo presidency to the east, right? And look at what happened today. And the so-called Ifeanyi, who hosted that meeting, is the one who is talking about being the vice president. That is to tell you that nothing is going to come out in Nigeria. But that is not why we are here today. We are here to talk about our own. We are here to talk about our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So I'm going to go ahead and play you this short clip you're seeing there on your screen. and to update you on some of the informations, what is happening at Federal High Court, and all you need to know concerning today's proceedings. I thank all of you for joining us today's program. I'm seeing all of your comments, and I am going to open a line. I am going to send you a link in which you will join on today's conversation. But before I do that, before I go ahead and give you a link in which you will join us on today's conversation, I'm going to go ahead and play you this little short clip you are seeing right there on your screen. This video was released today by our barrister Ifeanyi, sorry, not Ifeanyi, barrister Aloy Ejimako, and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at Federal High Court Abuja. Now let me play you the clip. It's a very short clip, very short. Well, I'm going to play you the clip so you have a clue. You see our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu right there. The video there you're looking at is the video of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's very short, like I've said. You can see him there. You can see him, but if you want to see pictures and more, updates, you can kindly go on our page. You will see a picture that we publish. Then you have a look of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and some other updates that we have on our page. So that is the video pretty much. Like I said, the video is short, and yeah, the video is short, but if you want to get more updates, go on our wall. We have article that we posted there. You will get some useful materials to read concerning today's proceedings, and all you need to know concerning what is happening at Federal High Court Abuja. I thank all of you for joining. For some of you that is watching us on YouTube, like I've said before, if you want to get articles and some useful materials, please do well visit on our page on Facebook, and you will get you will get all the information. You will read some material, useful materials, articles, and pictures of our leaders Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at Federal High Court, and all you need to know concerning today's proceedings. Now I'm going to leave you a link. In which you will use to come on here if there's something you want to say. Please, if you're coming on here, please make it as quick as possible so other people will be able to come on as well. Now if you check on the comment section, there's a link I drop right there. Click on that link and I will bring you on. But before I bring some of you on, I know most of you will be wondering, or maybe probably will be expecting to see videos or maybe pictures as usual. You know that the Zoo government quickly put some policies in place that is restricting journalists, restricting people from recording what is happening at Federal High Court. So for that reason, we won't be able to bring you much more of what is happening at Federal High Court. If you be expecting to see videos and maybe some of things that's going on at Federal High Court, you will be a little bit disappointing today, because the Zoo government puts policy in place that is restricting people to go there to record what is happening and all of those things. So you won't be able to see much videos and much live updates or maybe pictures of what is happening at Federal High Court. But nevertheless, we'll still update you, we'll still tell you, we'll still let you know what is happening, the outcome, what you need to know concerning all that will be unfolding at Federal High Court Abuja this morning. Let me see if I will, before I bring some of you on. I am seeing you here already, but before I bring some of you on, just give me a moment. Let me see if I will be able to share some pictures and see if I will get what's it called now, to show some of you. for you to at least you get a little sense of what is happening at that Federal High Court. But before I do that, please share this video. If you've not, just share it so people who are not aware that something like this is happening today at Federal High Court will be able to get a sense of what is happening today. So do well by sharing the program. Share the program. Let people who have no idea of what is happening today to get to see this video and know what we are doing. Just give me a moment. I'm trying to get you something that you will have to, something that you will see to really know what is happening in Federal High Court Abuja this morning. Give me some time. I'm trying to see if I will be able to get you something useful to look at. Just give me a moment. I am coming. Let me see what I can do to get you something meaningful. Just stay wherever you are, right? Do not go away. I'm trying to bring you a video. I'm trying to show you a video of what is happening there at Federal High Court Abuja. In case maybe you're just joining the program and you're wondering what is going on, today's date is the 28th day of June 2022, where our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is continuing his trial at Federal High Court Abuja. I know most of you sadly don't even know that today's date is 28. Seriously, sadly, some of you don't even know because most of you, your attention has been taken away. But anyways, we are here to let you know, we are here to remind you, we are here to inform you what is happening. So today our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in court. He's continuing his trial. I'm trying to get you a video. Let me see. Just stay where you are. Stay wherever you are. I am alone here in the studio. I'm kind of alright, just stay wherever you are. I'm trying to get you a video so you see what is happening. You see what is happening at Federal High Court there in Abuja. Alright, the video is here. Let me put it on your screen. So let me put it on the screen so you see what is happening there at Federal High Court. Alright, so the video you're seeing, sorry, let me bring that back. The video you're seeing there is our brothers who are already in Abuja. Our brothers and our sisters who are at Federal High Court Abuja. Sorry, I had to mute the video. The people you are seeing there on your screen, right there on your screen, are our people, our brothers and our sisters who are at Federal High Court Abuja to pay solidarity to our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now I am going to put a volume so you'll be able to hear what they are saying there on ground. They are at Federal High Court Abuja. Now let's listen to them. Let me put a volume so you hear what they are saying. So
Biko ahambo Mazi Igbo la Biafra land. Akwana m afọ nkwa. Ndewo.
Okay, Biafrans, as you can see, as you are watching, these are Umuchineke from different aspects and angles of Biafra land. Today they are here to witness the court case of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A good number of them are here. Despite the security barricades, despite the heavy presence of security, Nigerian security agents, people are still gathered here. This is to show you that people still believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and nothing more, nothing less. Watching what our people, because a lot of people are watching live from different countries. So because anyhow you can make it understandable to others, those that do not hear Igbo. So just do it that way.
The only thing is that I greet all the Biafras. I'm a Muchineke. So no other thing apart Biafra. Now we tell Biafra is an child. Biafra is our life. So now, me na live. I be able to join the S-men. Now I send her there. I need to be in the mud. Over here I need. So now I need back forever now. Okay, release the name and I'm okay. Only do watching it. So Americano which Chikuna Fay and what? Muna Fay and Wabu. Now only get bribe. Induzu, I talk okay, go, Paya may go, Mamoto may or reject. So now I need to am back on their Bible. So we have tonight. Oh, little mine. My never run again, no guess me, I'll go so none half or Labanum. So now the time of one I'll go. So night on time, middle my freedom by me. Only get Basara in the zoo until again. Look at that Dibo. So Carry is said no line. Then the US, they could get on the same. Most of all, so the night freedom mind never ending. I know I'm back of that, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So, no more Mazi Nnamdi from Enugu State. Suka Maboyan Suka, the Doba.
Please, we are going to stop this live video right now because we are going to come back in a short time. Let us know what is happening inside the court premises. So please stay tuned and share this video to as many people as you can. We are going to be back in a short moment in the world.
Alright, so that is an update of what is happening at Federal High Court there. That is the update of what is happening there at Federal High Court. Now, if you want to join us here in the studio, if you have something to say, or maybe for some of you that is in Biafra land, please come on here. Let us know how the sit at home is going there in Biafra land. Please, if I bring you on, you try to make it as quick as just make it as short as possible so other people will be able to join. I have Voice of Biafrans. Are you there? Unmute yourself. Let us know where you are calling us from, and you quickly go ahead with your point. Voice of Biafrans, are you there? Okay, Voice of Biafrans is not there. God's Power, are you there? Ndewo, where are you joining us from? God's Power, you are mute. Unmute yourself. You let us know where you are joining the program from. Ndewo. God's Power, you will have to unmute yourself before you be able to speak. You are mute. Unmute yourself. Alright, while we wait for God's Power to fix his camera, let's see if we have other people. Please, there's a link I am dropping on the comment section, right? Just step on that link, come on here, let us know how the sit at home is going there in Biafra land. If you are watching from Biafra land, let us know how it is going there in Biafra land. We need an update. We need an update from Biafra land. Let us know how it's going. Let me see if I will bring some of you on. Let me see. Please, if you're watching us from Biafra land, there's a link I drop right there. Come on here, let us know how the sit at home is going. So the picture you are seeing right there on your screen is a picture, or rather a video you are seeing there on the screen is a video of some of the things that's going on at the Federal High Court Abuja. You won't be able to see pictures of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu inside the court, because the zoo government, like I have always been saying, quickly put some policies in place that is restricting people from going in. Please, if I bring you on, try to mute yourself. Then when I ask you to speak, you can unmute and speak, so you won't disturb people who are listening. AGK, are you there? Ndewo, your name? Oh, okay, we lost that one. Let me see. Don, can you hear us? Where are you joining us from, Ndewo?
I'm on Anambra State, Oka.
Ndewo, all the way from Anambra State. Anambra, how is the sit at home going there?
It's going well. We have moved around, Oka. There's no most vehicle on the roads. Only those few of Keke people operating. So the sit at home was going well from there.
Ndewo, my brother. Ndewo for that update. Thank you, Don. Osinachi, are you there? Where are you joining us from?
Ọ na-aga ọfụma olu na-amaka. Our leader, even leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ya pụtalele. Ekpere anyị bụ na after everything ha na-eme that na aka ha ya na n'iyi only ife ha eme nwanyị. We IPOP member nọ in support si na ife niile ha na-eme maka IPOP must ịga ọfụma.
Definitely, most definitely. Ndewo, my brother, Ndewo. Now let's have our second brother who just joined us, Osinachi.
Okay.
Osinachi, hold on, Osinachi. Before you go ahead, before you speak, please, in case maybe I remove you from the studio, if you finish speaking, I will have to remove you. So we'll allow other people to come in, because we have a lot of people on queue already. So our brother who just finished speaking, I will remove you, so we'll have another we'll be able to bring in another person. Thank you, my brother, for joining on the program.
Thank you.
Osinachi, you can go ahead, speak. Ndewo, where are you joining us from? Osinachi, are you there? Okay, I think he's not there. Let me see. Ugochukwu, let me just add all of you, so you speak one after another. Ugochukwu, unmute yourself. Let us know where you're joining the program from. Please, if I mention your name, you unmute yourself, then you quickly speak, so we'll be able to bring on another person because we have a lot of people on here. Ugochukwu, are you there? Okay, if Ugochukwu, yeah, Ugochukwu, can you hear me now?
Ugochukwu is not responding.
Okay, Ugochukwu is not responding. Let's see. Mazi Obiora, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. You go ahead. Let us know where you're joining the program from. Please, if you're in the studio, try to mute yourself so you won't disturb other people that is listening to the program. Mazi Obiora, are you there? All right, Mazi Obiora is not ready to speak. Let me see. Mwachineke, can you hear us? Let us know where you're joining the program from. I can hear you. Yes.
I'm joining Anambra State.
My name is Mazi Obiora.
All the way from Anambra.
You say?
Go ahead. We can hear you. How is the sit at home going there in Anambra?
Actually, everywhere was just quiet and no one is out.
Go ahead, quickly.
For now, I'm at home. I didn't go out. I didn't do anything again. I'm just inside.
But you're observing the sit at home, right?
Like I said before, I'm inside and I haven't gone out to know how outside is.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Anambra is lock and key, right? Ndi mmadụ nọ n'ụlọ.
Yes, of course.
Okay. That is, we just want to confirm that. We just want to establish that Anambra is lock and key because over ndị na-abịa na comment section here ha bịa na-ekwu na onwe who sit at home or something like that. Or ihe mere nji say ka at least nwee ike inweta maybe 2 or 3 people that will confirm that Igbo land is lock and key. Biko onwere onye si Aba na-akpọ? Onwere onye si Aba?
No.
Ndewo nwa Chineke. Let me bring ka onye si Aba na-akpọ onye?
Many people na-akpọ.
Biko isi Aba na-akpọ kwuo gwa anyị otu Aba dị.
Everywhere good. Aba mara mma. I need to know. Every day we no good.
Okay, Osinachi ogu wan si Aba na-akpọ. Okay, Samuel Ndewo, let us know how is the sit at home going there in Aba?
Nketa pụrụ iche ebe niile onye ọbụla nọ n'ụlọ mmadụ especially ha nkụ na-ekwe ha ekwetala taa.
Ndewo. I wanted to establish that because at the comment section here, that I wouldn't know the area the person lives in Aba anyways, but something on the comment section. So that is why I wanted someone who is from Aba to let us know how Aba is. Ndewo Samuel, Ndewo. Let me bring someone else to speak. Osinachi, go ahead. You were here before, but I don't know what happened. Ndewo, where are you joining us from?
I'm based in Benin, sir.
Huh?
I'm from East. I'm joining anything concerning Biafra. So I love it. That is all. I want to know what to say here.
Osinachi ga-ekwusi ike ka anyị na-anụ ihe na-ekwu. Akwa iwe onye Igbo. Sọrọ anyị Igbo kwusi ike ka ndị mmadụ na-anụ ihe anyị n'ihe na-ekwu.
Ihe na-ekwu dị ụtọ na ihe Biafra ala more so that's one thing so for me to everything is over there. That's why I'm going to
Alright, we are not really getting you clearly. Mazi Obiora, are you there? Go ahead. Osinachi, maybe I will remove you, come back again. Your network is a little bit disturbing.
No, no.
Ekene m unu. Ndewo unu ụmụnne m. Good afternoon to every one of you.
We can hear you. Go ahead, Mazi Obiora. I'm trying to mute other people so we won't.
Okay. Okay, Nsukka ka m si akpọ.
Okay. Please try to reduce the volume of your radio or maybe your phone, whatever device you're using to listen to the program at the background, so we'll be able to hear you clearly. There, my brother, carry on.
Okay. Is it getting better now?
Is perfect now. Go ahead. Is this a bit now, bro? Okay.
Yes, everybody is observing the sit at home. Onye ọbụla nọ n'ụlọ. Ụmụnna anyị nwoke, ụmụnna anyị nwaanyị, ndị Nsukka nọ n'ụlọ. Otago. If I na-eche ka anyị nụ outcome of the court judgment.
And yes, we are here to update Biafrans on that. The proceeding is going on, and you know that whenever our barristers, whenever the proceeding is over, they usually comes out to, address Biafrans. So definitely we are going to update Biafrans the outcome of today's proceedings. Only how is it to add, Mazi Obiora?
Ihe na ya ụmụ Biafra bụ onye ya na nwanne biko otu anyị si wee kwue ka ọ dị ka anyị si mee biko onye ayakwa na nwanne ya ebe ọbụla Biafra tọtụrụ onye jide nwanne ya aka arapụkwana ya. Ana m ayọ ndị sabo ka ha nwee nchegharị maka anyị bụ ụmụ Chukwu okike. Ana m ayọ ndị sabo ka anyị nwee nchegharị, onye ọbụla nwee nchegharị lọghachi azụ ebe nna anyị bụ Nnamdi Kanu bidoro ka anyị nwee ike gba ọsọ ahụ n'isi. Biko ayọ ka nna ya ndị Igbo, ayọ ka nna ya kwa ndị South ebe ọbụla onye si akpọ biko ka anyị jide n'aka n'ofu wee jebe ije a ka anyị nke eji lata with victory, ka onye ọbụla abatazi nna nke ya wee celebrate ibe ka Chineke si wee chọọ. Ndewo
Mazi Obiora.
Ndewo.
Ugochukwu, are you there? Ugochukwu, if you're not ready to speak, I will have to bring someone else. Chidebube, can you hear us? Go ahead, please. Chidebube, ị ga-ekwusịtụ ike nụ ka anyị nụ ihe na-ekwu.
Okay, ọ dị mma na?
Ọ dị mma, yes. Ele ebe isi na-akpọ?
Okay, esi m Togo na-akpọ
Okay, ị ga-agbadata to the volume of your device iji na-ege the program ka anyị nwee ike n'ihe na-ekwu ọfụma. Ndewo.
Okay, ọ dị mma na?
Mba, anyị ka na-anụkwa gị. Anyị ka na-anụ gị. Your voice is echoing.
Agbadatala m, ọ dịla oke na?
Chidebube, I will have to take you down. Fix your device, then you come back. Mazi Jerry, are you there?
Anomia. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Please go ahead.
Okay, ụmụ Chineke, ana m ekene unu niile. Ụtụtụ ọma nọ. Taa ga-abụrụ anyị ụbọchị ọma, ụbọchị aṅụrị. Esi m ihe ala na Anambra steeti wee na-akpọ. Hello? Hello?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. We can hear you.
Okay. Esi m ihe ala Anambra steeti wee na-akpọ. Yeah. N'ụbọchị taa, everywhere dị okay. Ebe onye ọbụla na-eme obi dị sit at home. Eji ọnọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ezigbo onye ndu. Chineke wetara anyị nwa. Mepere anyị anya, mee ka anyị mara ihe kwesịrị na anyị ga-ama. Ka anyị wee nwee nzọpụta zuru oke na nzọpụta ga-enye ndụ anyị aka. Dịka anyị na-ekwu, ihe anyị niile na-eme, anyị ga-ejisi ike merịara aga n'iru. Maka na emekọta emekwasị ya n'ụzọ, ọnọdụ anyị ga-aka njọ karịa ka ọ dị ugbu a. Mmeri ga-abụ nke anyị taa. Maka Chineke edego ya. Ụmụ Chineke ebe na onye nọ, ngozi ga-abụ nke anyị, mmeri ga-abụkwanụ nke anyị. Ya gaziri gị nwa Chineke.
Anyị na-ekwu.
Hello?
Hello? Maazị Dochukwu na-ekwu. Hello?
Hello?
Mazi Dochukwu.
Hello?
Esi m Ọkala akpọ.
Hello?
Egalaka bụ Amike bụ.
Hello?
The host is not talking.
Okay. Sorry. My mic was mute. Solomon, go ahead, please.
Okay. I'm hearing you, sir.
Okay, where are you joining the program from?
Hello? From
Solomon.
Yeah.
Please, you will try to remove your device. Don't listen from your device.
Okay.
Yes, listen direct from the device you use to connect to the program, so you will hear what I'm saying direct instead of you listening from your device, because there's a little bit delay. When you listen from your device, there's a little bit delay. Now go ahead. ECC Boyinabo. Yes, ECC Boyinabo. Okay, and they will came back a today. I hope that is everywhere. Ndi madu no law.
Ndị mmadụ amachara kwa unu na-adịghị emechikwa lockdown na Ebonyi.
Maka Muhammad na David Muhammad onye ọrịa ya ndị ebube agụ. Well, anyway, go ahead.
Na obrasi. If you just feel of course be enemy observer sit at home. Everybody don't do it like I want believe in Biafra and Abia.
Ndewo, my brother. When he was actually add.
obere ihe nchọrọ ya dị na anyị ga na-etikwe anyị ga-ejisi ike na-ekpe ekpere ka Chineke na-mere anyị ọchịchị obi anyị.
Ndewo, my brother. Ndewo. Now let's have Mazi Uche. Mazi Uche na ihe na-ekwu.
Nwa Chineke ndewo ese.
Ndewo, ka ebe si na-akpọ anyị.
Esi m Aba province, Abia steeti na-akpọ.
Oke, isi Aba?
Yes sir.
O nwere ndị na-ekwu na ndị Aba anaghị respect the state ahụ, ma ọ bụ eziokwu?
Nke bụ eziokwu na ụtụtụ na respect kama n'ọwụ ndị ọkada na ndị keke, ma ha na-ewere n'ọwụ tata ka a ga-agbata ego niile nọ n'ụwa. Bọtụ ndị makwara na onye ndu anyị dị ha mkpa, ha ncha nọkwa n'ụlọ. Bọtụ ndị ahụ na-enupu isi ndị filiri na ego nke ụwa ka ha kpatarịa onye ndu, ọha nwa nọ n'ụzọ.
Ndewo, my brother. Ndewo. But at least ndị mmadụ nọ n'ụlọ, ọ gwụla ndị keke ahụ ndị na-agbagharị n'ụzọ.
Ọ gwụla ndị keke, but ọkwa few of them.
Okay, few. Okay.
Which I na buru ibu taa because unlike arịa o mechiri emechi, street plaza o mechiri emechi, bakasị o mechiri emechi, kama ihe a na-eme wụ na ịma duto ndị gọọmenti anyị nwe ha na-alaike ịgwa ndị sekuriti men ka ha mepee ya. O nwere ihe mmadụ chọrọ ịbịa were, onye ha abịa were ya, mana ndị mmadụ anọkwa n'ebe ha arụ ọrụ.
Yeah.
So ha na-enye ọda si mepee, ọtọ ụzọ anyị nwa na-eji uche anyị mara na emepe godi ya, o nweghị ihe anyị na-aga ime ebe ahụ. Ọkwa oles ma nwere ichefu ụnyaahụ jisipụta were okwu ya lawakwa ya ọdọdọ.
Yeah, always eziokwu.
Kama nke na-ewute m ihe because na-eso about four of them. This program is about four of them. Ihe na-anụ na na-ada chi onye ndị ahụ na-agatakwa anya 4 years gara aga na-emeghị apịa nke ọcha na-agatakwa okwu tere a ga-eji wee nye los amam ebe ndị acha abịa amam ike. Amam nwere otu nweta dọkịta.
Ndewo, my brother. O nwere ihe ọzọ chọrọ add?
Ihe nchọrọ ịadọwụ na Chukwu okike Abama ụmụ ya hapa ka a na-akpọ takwara afọ a, ọ ga-abịakwa na isi njedobe kama dịka m kwuru na mbụ, nke na-ewutacha m karịa wụ nke m na-anụ ugbu a site na Abuja na Chief Judge sịrị na 4 years na a ga-abịakwalighari anya inyi another bail, ma a ga-grant bail, ma a ga-grant bail ọnụ isiokwu ya.
Yes, I was about to update that, but that reminds me, Mazi Uche, I will mute you for a while. Then let me update people that is listening on the program the outcome of the proceedings. Let me mute you. Okay, then I will get back to other people. And ndị ọzọ nọgodi na ndị nọ na studio biko unu nọrọgodi ebe unu nọ. I will get back to you people in a while. Let me update other people that is listening to the program the outcome of the proceeding that's going on at Federal High Court Abuja. I will get back to some of you that is in the studio.
Okay, sir.
Now the update we have now, the update that just get across to us now is, I'm going to read it out to some of us that's listening to this very program. The update that our barrister Aloy Ejimako just posted says, June 28th update. Sadly, The judge has denied bail to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on grounds that for 4 years nothing was filed in her court to explain why Onyendu did not attend his trial. She said she is open to considering a new application for bail, and she granted a stay of the criminal proceedings. So what the update is saying, let me see if I will be able to put it on the screen so some of you will see it for yourself. So what they are saying here is that the zoo judge has denied our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail, and she went ahead to say that no file, nothing was filed in her court to explain why Onyendu, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did not attend his trial. She said she is open to considering a new application for a bail, and she granted a stay of criminal proceedings. Let me see if I will be able to bring that on the screen so other people who is watching we get to see that update themselves. Sadly, this woman is saying this. It is sad that we are hearing this, and most of us know that what made our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did, according to what our barrister said here, what really happened was the killing that happened at Onyendu's home that made our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu run away from for his life. And now they are saying, the judge is saying no file. There was no file in her court to explain why Onyendu did not attend his trial. But everybody knows what happened. But what they are saying here is no file in her court to explain why Onyendu did not attend his trial. Remember, when our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in Nigeria 2017, our leader said that when he will be going to court, that he's going there with 1 million men. And what happened? What surprised everybody was the shooting that happened that led, to 28 people, were killed, including our leader's dog. But this is what we are hearing now. Let me see if I'll be able to see that update. Barrister Aloy Ejimako, for some of you that is following him on his page, you can, if you can multitask, you can do that. Check on his Facebook, you will see the update right there. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you anyways. If you are still here, I'm going to put it on the screen so you'll be able to see it yourself. Let it not be as if I'm just the only one talking here. Alright, so I'm going to bring it on the screen so you look at it yourself. Just give me a moment. Let me see if I'll be able to get it here. Alright, so there is the article. Wait, let me see. Can all of you see it clearly? So that is the update from our barrister Aloy Ejimako. The information is coming from the right source. And here is what he said. I'm going to read it again. He said, June 28th update. Sadly, the judge has denied bail to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is MNK, that is the full meaning. The full meaning of MNK is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, on grounds that for 4 years nothing was filed in her court to explain why Onyendu, that is our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did not attend his trial. She said she is open to considering a new application for bail, and she granted a stay of the criminal proceedings. So this was tweeted. If you check there, you will see the date 11:16 a.m. 28 June 2022 is as well on his Twitter handle. If you go on his Twitter handle, you will see the tweet there. but this one I'm showing you now is right here on his Facebook page. Here is if you check the time there, you will see he made the post about 21 minutes ago. So that is the update that is coming from our barrister Aloy Ejimako, concerning the proceeding that is going on at Federal High Court Abuja. For some of you that is just joining us, we're talking about the proceeding that's going on at Federal High Court Abuja. Now, if you check this one down here, this is the one he posted about 18 hours ago. He say, update, I just concluded today's visitation with Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This visit offered us the opportunity to discuss all pending issues. I think this one is the one the post he made yesterday, but it has nothing to do with what we're talking about today. So here is the one we're talking about. This very one is the outcome, the update of today's proceedings. And I believe before the proceedings, before they will stop the proceeding, there will be more update coming. But for now, this is what we are getting. The judge said no grounds that for 4 years nothing was filed in the court, that is in her court, explaining why Onyendu didn't attend his trial. But all of us saw what happened at Afaruku, right? Everybody saw it, the shootings, the killings that happened there. But this is what we are saying. So they are using that as an excuse that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not attend his trial. So that is what they want to use as an excuse. You know, like our people used to say, "Oh, osisi na gebuya yo bouru." If you're a human being and they want to go you down, what do you have to do? You have to run away for your life. And that was exactly what our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did. But here is what we are hearing today. This is the update. So let me come back to some of us that is in the studio. If let me see if there's something that some of you would want to add regarding the article that we just finished reading now. Let me see. We were with Mazi Uche. Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you have to say concerning this update that we are getting now?
Honestly, this is very. In fact, should I use the word short of words? Because in regards to this file that the judge is talking about, should I say, is she dead or is she alive when all the happenings done in Africa?
Please, Mazi, reduce the volume of your device at the background so we'll be able to hear you clearly.
Okay, sir. Is it okay now?
Yes, a little bit better. Go ahead.
So, as I was saying earlier, was he not aware that some soldiers went to his compound and shot so many as they can? However, when the deed was done, didn't the federal government, even the state government, were jubilating over his case? What did they do about it? Because he managed to run away for their life. Now it becomes a crime that he should be attending the court. However, was she not the one that granted him bail? And he went home, hopefully coming to the court. Or particular date fixed. But before the soldier came to his house. So this is I don't know, they are playing what is it called, robbing Peter to people or something. I don't know if that all they thinking is to use the ruling president to when let them say that to us. We are tired of this the hanky-panky thumb. So, sir, honestly, I am tired of this their ridiculous attitude. It sounds like this is the only way they can be keeping us hopelessly. Tomorrow another case, next tomorrow another one. Till 2023 will be over, and then another person will emerge as the president of the country. Then maybe that person will not talk about it again, or the presiding judge, which is Binta Yanko, will not. Then they will start another fresh charge, fresh case altogether. I just can't take. But personally, I know this is the game plan and well playing out there. But I know God in heaven, Chukwu with His grace there. I know the capacity of our judge, or should I say our barristers in there, the one Ejimako and his co. I believe they will do their best and leave the rest to Chukwu. So that's my take on that.
Thank you, Mazi. Thank you so much. Thank you for that. Enlightenment. We have someone else here. Let me see. Voice of Biafrans, are you ready to speak now? You've been on for a while. Yes, I can hear you now. Ndewo. Elebisi na akpọ. Okay, ndewo.
Ikuku onye nwududo na-enye anyị nsogbu onye mere o ji dịka na manara anụchi ibi na-ekwu oge ụfọdụ.
Okay. Aghọtara ozu netwọk.
Ana m ekele n'ọlụ ọma ị na-alụ n'ụmụ Biafra wee na-ekenekwa ụmụ Biafra niile. Ọpdeti niile a na-enye mụnwa na-anụkwa ana m esonyekwa, mana ọ ihe mwute ka ọ bụ na maka the update today, maka amara m ka ọ ga-esisi na for 4 years na o nwere file na court ya, mana ọ nọ na zoo wee malụ ihe ndị nne na-aga na ana Biafra, malụ mgbe onye ndu emeri attack wee gbaa ọsọ, mana o kwere nghọta na ebe Chukwu Okike ama dị ndụ na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ya dị ndụ ma nata ana Biafra, na ya yi anyị na-achọ na ihe enweta iri ya ụdị nkata ọsọ ọba kpaba, ụdị etu ọsọ emere, ama m na ihe emeche nwe mmeri n'oge ikpeazụ. Oge ka ọ ya egbu mana mmeri ga-awụ nke anyị. Ọ iwe nchọka ntụnye. Daalụ nwa Chineke.
Ndewo Voice of Biafra, ndewo all the way from Biafra land. Ndewo. Let me just hold on. Let me bring someone else. Let me see who we have on here.
Chairman Amil. Hello?
Go ahead, my brother. Yes, go ahead. Sorry.
Because I don't interview before.
Okay. Go ahead. Carry on, my brother. Yes.
Monday. For the mother, among my arsenal from government, all can specialize. I didn't make the statue observe. Na mom here, na batan kan. You just only like on the chat.
Kebi neku kebo.
Ale be okay about na the movement na diwa. Àwọn mom we even remember here that kan.
So you know Noka now.
I'm in Noka. Like after answering the first call, I went outside to see how the movement is. So like I can see that many people are moving like motor and the keke. So something like that. So and that sometimes express be due to very free, but normally movement like people are moving.
all zoo people, what do you expect? Ima oto ndi banyi sina behave. You know.
Ima bụ na Chukwu bịa ama nọnyere anyị. Ọ bụrụ tata ka Nnamdi Kanu bido fụwa ife na Biafra. Oge mmadụ enwego ndidi, onwego obi. One sacrifice big is also your motto is sacrifice their life, and not the go ready sacrifice. So also why have me question the na achievement spend. I'm with victory that must be our own. Because now based on what you posted here, and I can imagine how I have tried a lot even now to delay and but God is still with us. So I still believe that,
yes.
Like have a victory in this because it's of good. Okay, mother they make when not believe mother. How much the reason and main thing no journals for betterment of others. Have once like day and think and for that now. No, but had even know that serve as Jesus. And let's kill him and let them give you a referendum. Oh yeah, they happy now go do self. Not my form along mark here. So God is still with us. That's the encouraging and all the Biafrans. Let's not like revenge or see withdraw ourselves. See hope as days. I still believe that hope is still there. Hope can do.
Ndewo, my brother. Thank you so much, Amicable. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you.
Olo ga maka am na-ekele gị nwa wepụtara igwe okwu gị wepụtakwara time gị if that name everybody updated asị na Chukwu na gozie olu na amaka. Let's not give up. Give up has not who give up with who fuck up. We've started that we have started. To the infinity itself, Biafra must come. Whether they like it or not.
Definitely. You say Ndewo Amicable. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Thank you so much, my brother. We have another person here. We have Do Good Ndewo in Aniha Ineku. Do Good, are you there?
Good morning.
Ndewo, thank you for joining us. KBC Nakbo.
Yes, I'm here. Good morning. Echum Kotonu we Nakbo. Kekunu mere.
Oh, Adimma go akwan.
Okay, Adimma. Biko nka join this na join achọrọ m ịgbatagodo ihe na-eme ka m ga-egodo ntị because achọrọ m ịma ihe kwute maka Nnamdi Kanu for today the court o jere emego ya joint ọzọ.
Okay, you will have to stay tuned because we are still updating Biafran what is the outcome because the proceeding is still ongoing. But so far the update anyway go now. The update we go now about that. Just hold on, stay on the line. On the video, our leader's younger brother now and Apota, so people are outside the court. So stay there. Let me quickly put up video for some of our viewers. Just stay there.
Okay, thank you.
Just stay there. I will get back to you right now. Let me get this video on the screen. The younger brother of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is outside, and I believe our barrister too, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejimoko and Barrister Loy Ejufo, they will be able to address us now. Just stay wherever you are. Let me see if I will be able to see that video and put it on the screen so other people that is following we get to hear what the younger brother of our brother, our leader, will have to say.
Okay.
So nobody should underestimate us. Biafrans. Well, what happened? There was a whole lot of argument in the court. You and I know that the silent jury, of course, on the land application made is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and also the question of jurisdiction. She had a so the defense team already had agreed to proceed to appeal court, and that is what is also taking place today.
For some of you that's watching the program, the person who is speaking is the younger brother of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So listen carefully, please.
We know here that we won't get justice here. this court, there will be justice. At the appeal court, there will be justice. And that's what.
So you think Nigeria is taking the case to?
Yeah, of course, yeah, that's where we are. We've done that already. Yes, thank you so much.
So what do you expect at the end of it?
Of course, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be free. Biafrans must be free.
God bless you.
We are still live at Federal High Court, Abuja, to get more updates on what happened today in the court. So we are still waiting for our barrister to address the press.
That she let the prospect for a new application for bail open. Often a defense choice brings such application forward that she's going to reconsider her decision. That's number one. Number two, based on the matter that is pending before the Court of Appeal, namely the challenge to the jurisdiction of the High Court to put Mazi to trial based on extraordinary rendition. That matter is pending on appeal before the Court of Appeal. The judge granted stay of further proceedings of the criminal case, pending determination of that question of jurisdiction before the Court of Appeal. So that is what happened in court today, and then the matter was adjourned to November 13 for mention. Okay, well, ihe may go na Court of Appeal, but I can assure you that between now and that 14th November, a lot of things will happen. Both in Abuja here, presumably by my colleagues, but I'm so sure of what I'm going to do. I'm going to move mountains to Roma. Yes.
We just finished interviewing one of our barristers, Barrister the special counsel of the indigenous people.
So that is the update. Our brother was asking what is happening. Just stay there. Let me get you another video. Let me get you another video of some of the things that's happening there at Federal High Court Abuja. For some of you that's just joining the program, today's date is the 28th day of June 2022. The day our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is continuing his trial at Federal High Court Abuja. So we are updating Biafrans what is happening there in the court, and already we've shared some videos, and lawyers of our leader, barrister Aloy Ejimako, and other barristers has updated us. They have shared information. They have let us know what is happening there at Federal High Court Abuja.
Well, what happened is that sadly and unfortunately the application for bail was denied. We don't jumped bail in September 2017. We disagree strongly, and another court of competent jurisdiction has made an open and strident pronouncement that Nnamdi Kanu did not jump bail in September 2017. Someone will say he jumped dead because he was traduced by a combined forces of defense forces that attacked his home at Afaruku Ibeku, and who would stay and take those bullets and not seek refuge elsewhere. That's what the High Court of Omoy has said, and we expected this court today to have upheld that, but it didn't happen. So obviously we are going to Court of Appeal, and the jury is still out in Omaha, because I have a case pending before the Federal High Court in Umuahia on this very question of extraordinary rendition and the matter of jumping bail. So I think it's a mixed bag. While we did not get everything we wanted to get today, there is still opportunity to prevail on the cases that are still pending out there. So the court granted a stay of further proceedings in the criminal trial because of the appeal that is pending before the Court of Appeal on jurisdiction, and the court rescheduled the matter to 13th November for mention to see whether the Court of Appeal has done one or two things. So between now and November, I can guarantee you there is going to be a lot of legal fireworks. I'm not going to rest on my oars. I'm not going to sleep. So I'm going to continue on this mission of freeing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because it's a mission that all of us are committed to since June last year when it happened. Not just lawyers, but I'm sure millions of his followers across the world are committed to the mission of freeing him from detention and stopping this persecution.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, Ruth.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so we've all heard it from the barrister's mouth. I believe some of you heard what he said. So the case is still pending till November 13th. You heard it from him. This is sad, really. Is really sad that things like this is happening, and it's sad that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has spent a year plus in DSS custody, and this is what we are hearing. Like I've said before, even before our barrister Aloy Jimako came on here to say some of the things that he said now. I said it before when I saw that update when they said that no file was I've forgotten how they put it, but let me see if I'll be able to. Okay, they say the judge said no grounds that for 4 years nothing was filed in her court to explain why Onyendu did not attend his trial. And I said, even a baby in Nigeria will know what happened, or probably might have had a story of what happened at Afaraoku, where the Python dance people they went there and they killed as many as they want, including our leader's dog. Nobody did not hear that news in Nigeria. But here is what the barrister or the judge who is presiding over the case is saying, that on grounds that for 4 years nothing was filed in her court to explain why Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not attend his trial. But this woman who is presiding over this case lives in Nigeria, and he heard the news of the killings that happened at Afaruku. So this is actually what made him to deny our leader bail today. So the bail is denied. The bail application that they filed has been denied. And now the court case has been adjourned. It has been adjourned the 13th of November, which is almost, the year is running out. This is sad, and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been there. Now, for some of you that watch the pictures that we uploaded here, if you've looked at that picture carefully, you will see how the beard of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is. He has not shaved, and he is still with that same clothes. This is sad, really, but let's see what happens. Let's see what our barristers, let's see what they can do from now to that November. Let's see what they can do to make sure that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be out from that dungeon. This is sad, really. I mean, I don't know what to say, but we will keep hope alive. We are still waiting for Barrister Ifeanyi and Mike to at least let us know, to update us. Let's hear from them as well. What will be the next step? Are we going to sit and wait from now till November the 13th? I don't know, but let's see. Let's hear from them, people that is handling the case, and hear what they will have to tell us. There's another video I want to show you. Let me see if I'll be able to get you that video. Is a video of Mike Ezekume. Mike Ezekume is the leading counsel for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu concerning this case. He is the one leading the case. So there's a video I saw now that I want to share with you. Let's hear from him as well. Let's hear what he will say. Just give me a moment. Let me get you that video. But before I will get you that video, I will have to remove this one you're seeing here on the screen. Just give me a moment. I will have to remove it, and I will bring you that particular one I'm talking about. So like I was saying before, this is sad, really, that is happening, but let's keep hope alive. Like I have said before, let's see what will happen from now till November 13th, almost end of the year. So which means our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will still be in DSS custody from now till November. How many months from now? Today's 8 is 28th June, and the next month will be July, August, September, October, November, 3 months from now. This is sad, really, and really it is sad. But first of all, let's look at this one. This one is a short clip as well. Is the video of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where he is saying that he wants our people to be calm. Now, I want you to pay close attention to this video. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, this is sad. This video I'm seeing here, it is sad, really, but honestly, I don't know what to say. Seriously, I do not know what to say. I don't know, but let's watch this. Let me bring the video for you. Let me just put it on the screen. This is a video of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm going to put it full screen so you'll be able to see. Alright, so I'm going to go back to play it. I want you to pay close attention to this video, please. Pay very close attention. This is our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm going to repeat it. It's a very short clip. It's about 6 seconds, but I want you to listen. Watch this.
No, not at all. What should I do? There's what we expect to happen. But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra land to be calm. Sure. And peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people. Not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. Yes. I will continue to do so until we get victory. No, not at all. What should I do? There's what we expect to happen. But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra land to be calm. Sure. And peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people. Not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. Yes. I will continue to do so until we get victory. No, not at all. What should I do? There's what we expect to happen. But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra land to be calm. Sure. And peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people. Not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. Yes. I will continue to do so until we get victory.
So, you've seen the video. That is the video of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and this video was recorded today, right? And you've heard what he said, that we are fighting to defend our people, not to kill them, and that is the reason why he has been in DSS custody since last year up until now. And he said, I quote, that he will continue to be there until Biafra is being restored. That is deep. This man you are seeing on your screen, if you do not respect him for anything, but at least for some of the things that he has been going through, I don't want to say so many things. He has done a lot. Nobody will do what he's doing. Nobody will do what he is doing. Nobody will do it. Now, I don't want to talk too much. There is another video I want to show you. The video of our barrister, our leading counsel. There's another video, another one I want to show you, but I believe I think they should maybe address Biafrans generally, but I don't know. But I'm going to show you another one. I'm going to show you another video. Just stay there. But like I said before I show you the video, I will take this one down, then I'll bring that particular one for you. Just stay wherever you are. Let me show you. Let me share another video with you. Let me share another one with you. This one is Mike Ezekume. Mike Ezekume is the lead counsel. Is the lead counsel for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's the one leading the legal team concerning this case. So I'm going to put the video for. Let's just hear from him. Then, if there is no any other update, let's see what happens anyway. But let's watch the video. Let me put it on the screen, then I'll play it for you. Just stay wherever you are. Alright, so I'm going to play the video for you.
San Mike Ezekume, I beg your pardon, would summarize everything that happened today so you understand better. So he is here, and Sir Ejiofor is here too. So, sir, what happened today in summary?
Yeah, we have argued during the last proceedings in May this year that the court should set aside our earlier judgment issued in 2017 against Nnamdi Kanu. I will file that application on the 1st of April 2019. The judge today in our ruling frowned at what she called the delay in bringing the application, according to her, 4 years later. But it was perhaps a genuine error of judgment, because that application was filed since 1st of April 2019 and not 4 years later or after. So it was not a new application we argued. We merely argued it in May. It was an application filed since the 1st of April 2019. So based on that erroneous view, upon which she predicated her ruling, we are going to again appeal against that ruling itself. But aside that, the prosecution was saying they were ready to go on with the matter. And we were able to show to the Court of Appeal, to the High Court, Federal High Court here, that we have since appealed against her ruling, her earlier ruling, who struck out 8 out of the 15 counts charged, leaving 7. We have appealed against her ruling, telling the Court of Appeal to set aside the remaining 7 counts and discharge and acquit Nnamdi Kanu. Because the 7 counts themselves, which were predicated wholly on the 8 counts that were struck out, cannot themselves stand. They have no legs to stand. So that appeal has been duly entered at the Court of Appeal. An appeal number has been given. We have transmitted all the record of proceedings from the Federal High Court here to the Court of Appeal. We have even filed not just a motion for accelerated hearing, we have also filed a brief of argument to show that we are serious in prosecuting this appeal, to show that when it succeeds, Kanu will have no business even in any trial here. The prosecution, as usual, opposed it, that we were trying to delay. Then I pointed out to the court, how can we be talking about delay? You have amended 6 times. You were trying to do a 7th amendment in May this year, which I truncated. We served you since 19th of May, application for stay of proceedings in this court. You only on Friday, today is 28th, on Friday 24th, only on Friday 24th, you decided to reply. So what they have always done is to ambush us. Usually a day before the hearing, that's when they will file their response, so as to truncate the procedures. Then they will turn around, ironically, to say they want to go with the matter. The prosecution has never been ready with this case. They have no case against Nnamdi Kanu. They know that the remaining 8 counts are watery and have no grounds to stand upon.
because they are afraid of that imminent waterloo, they have always been delaying these proceedings. So the court has therefore agreed with us that there was a need for the Court of Appeal, going by under 5 or 10 of the Court of Appeal rules, which says that once an appeal has been entered, the lower court ceases to have jurisdiction, and there is a need for the Court of Appeal to look at the matter before she will know what next to do. So she has adjourned to these proceedings to 14th of November 2022 for mention only.
Okay, what do you have to say to the teeming followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is there light at the end of the tunnel?
What I want to tell them is that after the thunder and storm, there will be peace and tranquility.
And it's going to be soonest.
And it's going to be soonest by the grace of God. The reason is that if God be for us, Romans 8:31, who can be against us? The reason is because Lamentations 3:37 tells us, who is it that speaketh and it cometh to pass? If God has did it. This case has been taken over by the Lord, the same God that delivered the Israelites from the land of Pharaoh's Egypt. The same God has taken over this proceedings. The same God of Paul and Cyrus, the same God of Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego, the same God of Lazarus. That same God has taken over the entire of these proceedings. And you will continue to see one miracle after another, as we have been saying in this case. Nnamdi Kanu, that he will go. Yes. The question is who did. That is just all. When. That is just the question. Not whether he will. Oh, surely he will go. He as heir. It is just that God's time is best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
All right, so you've all heard it from our barrister Mike Ezekume is the lead counsel for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In case maybe you just joining the program, we're talking about, or we are broadcasting or updating you about the happenings at Federal High Court Abuja, being today's 28th June 2022, where our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu continued his trial at Federal High Court Abuja. So the bail for application sadly was denied. They denied our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail, and the reason being that according to the judge, he said there is no let me see if I'll be able to see that article again. He said on grounds that for 4 years nothing was filed in court to explain why Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not attend his trial. And she went ahead to say she is open to considering a new application for bail, and she granted a stay of a criminal proceedings. What that means is our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they granted him to remain there in DSS custody till November the 13th. That is when he will come to court again for them to see if they will file for another application, because from the article I'm reading here, they say the judge said she is open for considering a new application, which I believe that will be on the 13th of November. But sadly, like I've said before, our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be in DSS custody from now till that November. And it's almost a year. For some of you that do not know, that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu had already spent a year there in DSS custody. Remember, he was forcefully brought back to Nigeria last year, June, and we are almost running out of June. As a matter of fact, on Friday this week, Friday will be the 1st of July 2022, and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still where he is. But we never give up, we will never stop. We keep doing what we are doing. We keep updating our people. We keep coming here to do what we know how to do, to make sure that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gets out of that dungeon. We still have some people on here. Let me see. Okay, I was having someone here before, but I have Anthony here. Let me see if Anthony will speak. Anthony, are you still here with us? Then we have Nwata. I think Nwata. Let me see if I will be able to give this our brother Mike to speak. He has been here for a very long time. Nwata, please, if you can hear me, unmute yourself and quickly make it as short as possible because we are winding down. But if you're not available, let me see if Anthony, are you there? Anthony, please unmute yourself and you quickly let us know what you have. Just talk to us. What do you have to say concerning all that have happened today? All right, I don't think they are ready to speak. But if you are still listening, if you are still on the program, if you want to join us, if you want to contribute on what we're
Yes, I want to
who
contribute.
is speaking? Anthony, are you the one?
No, this is Enenyanwite.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yes. Carry on, my brother. You've been on here for a very long time.
Yes, my brother. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening to Biafrans. You see, this is what we are talking about. The zoo government, they just want to hold our leader and control Biafrans. This is it. It's open now. Just look at our leader. They say this very Fulani judge said that our leader, they did not file any application to show that our leader is having an issue in her court. Let me tell you, these are Fulanis. This is their system. They just want to hold our leader till 2023 and use our leader for bargain. And they use this to demoralize Biafrans. All I want to tell you is that we Biafrans were resolute. That is what I said before on this program, that if not because of Simon Ekpa, this Biafra struggle will be something end. Will be something it will end automatically. Now I employ all Biafrans to give Simon Ekpa a full support. Let him tighten the belt and tighten it very hot for the zoo. They were trying to control us with the help of British, Boris Johnson and all those idiots. You see, what I want to tell you, my brother, we should wake up. we should not perambulating and be moving about, marolling and do all sort of nonsense as Biafrans. We should focus and allow Simon Ekpa to tighten this belt. Tighten it very well to strangle this zoo. The zoo is already collapsed. It's not about, it's already collapsed. I will help them to bury the zoo. Look at what is coming out from the court. And we are not going to take anything from our leader saying that Biafra should be calm. That is not for us. That's the only thing he can say because he has been there for a very long time. Simon Ekpa should tighten up the belt now to even let the fire become 1 million times over so that they will feel the heat and they will not see the reason to release him by fire by force without any story, any nonsense, all these vagabond are talking. Because one day okay. Ask him come Kilegi na your program. Now this program, this platform you have brought out for us to air our view. You see, ihe mụnwa na-ekwu bụ na ndị akpana nwa agụ aka n'ọdụ asị onye akpakwana nwa agụ aka n'ọdụ ọ dị ndụ nwụrụ anwụ mana ha akpago nwa aka n'ọdụ ajọ nke dị ndụ. This is the time. How can we Biafra, we call ourselves Biafrans Omuchineke, and our leader will be in that dungeon for complete 5 months. When you count it from this June to November 13, is 5 months from now. Just calculate it and look at what this man has suffered because of us. And we are there talking jargons, talking nonsense. The other day, Nelly was talking bunkum, talking bullshit. Nsima was talking rubbish. All those people are foolish. They are nonsense. Only Simon Ekpa, we are going to give him 100% support to fight this thing out, and everything will be okay. So God bless you, my brother, and God bless Biafrans, and God bless Umuchineke.
Ndewo, my brother. Thank you so much for always coming on this program. Thank you for your contribution. We have another person. We have Anthony. Anthony, are you there? Anthony, please, if you can hear us, go ahead, please. The mic is yours. All right, I don't think Anthony is ready to speak. Nwachineke, are you there? Nwachineke, are you there? All right. I think you're having issue with your connection. I will take you down. Then you will have to rejoin again. Please, if you want to contribute on today's program, check on the comment section. There's a link I drop right there. Click on that link. Come on here. Tell us how you feel concerning today's proceedings. For some of you that is just joining the program, our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been denied bail, and the court has been adjourned till November 13th. So if you want to contribute on this, on what we are talking about, please check the comment section. You will see a link I drop right there. Just click on that link. Come on here. I'll give you 3 minutes to let us know how you feel about today's outcome. In case maybe you just joined the program, I'm going to read the update again. This was published by our barrister Aloy Ejimako. If you want to do the reading yourself, you can as well go on his Twitter handle, Aloy Ejimako, at Aloy Ejimako on Twitter, or you go on Facebook at barrister Aloy Ejimako. You will see what he posted there. Or if you want to get any other informations concerning all about Biafra, I mean the real information concerning what is going on with our leader and Biafra agitation, follow barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor on Facebook at barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Go on Facebook, you follow him on his Facebook page. Then our barrister Aloy Ejimako, go on Facebook, you follow him on Facebook at barrister Aloy Ejimako, or you go on Twitter, you follow him on Twitter at Aloy Ejimako, and our barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, go on Twitter, you follow him at barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. And our DOS as well, you go on Twitter, you follow them at Directorate of State on Twitter. They are there if you want to get real information of what is happening concerning Biafra agitation. Or you can as well follow us on our Facebook page, where we share most tweet and Facebook updates coming from our barristers. These are some of the places where you will go and you will get a genuine information concerning what we are doing. Paul, are you there? Thank you for joining us on today's program. Your name and where you are reaching us from.
Hello?
Yes, are you there, Paul?
Yes, I'm here.
Good afternoon from here. Where are you joining us from?
Good afternoon. I'm calling from Lagos.
You're calling from where?
Lagos.
Okay, thank you all the way from Lagos. What do you have to say concerning what happened today?
I want to speak in
Oh, go ahead.
I
Go
want
ahead.
to speak
Sora
in
Igbo.
Biafra
Oh, definitely. Go ahead. Sora Igbo. Sora Igbo. Sora Igbo.
I like him to hear that. And this man is suffering for what? For our own beneficial. You can always his own property. And we need to take action. We fight for us to take action. Because we have prayed enough. We have suffered enough. This man has suffered enough. And looking at Nigerian government, they really want to suffocate this man to die. They really want to suffocate him to die for nothing. And we will not allow that to happen. We will not allow that to happen. It's not right. It's not. They're going in court today. Because only you know what is passing through in that place. You know what is passing through.
Yes, I understand your emotion, my sister, who is calling us all the way from Lagos. I understand your emotion, but there is something that all Biafran must know. You know, our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is just like a bone in the throat of the Nigerian government, and they know they can't bring him out and they can't swallow him. This is what I want Biafrans to know. They can never do our leader anything. If maybe, for instance, they want to do our leader, maybe they want to harm him or maybe kill him or something, that would have happened long time ago in Kenya. Remember what happened in Kenya? Remember the story. So I understand how you feel. I mean, seeing the video that surfaced today about our leader, when, I don't know, did you see the video where he was telling our people to be calm? Did you watch the video?
I've seen the video.
Yes. Yes, the thing is that onwe ihe ndị Nigerian government ga-eme our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is for sure. They can never do him anything. They can never, and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can never die, right? If anything happens to our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if maybe for instance we wake up tomorrow and the Nigeria government will be able, or maybe will be unable to give an account to our leader, or maybe to bring our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to us, there will be a problem in Nigeria. Boko Haram and what is happening in the north is a child play compared to what will happen to Nigeria as a whole if our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the next day. There will be a problem. So they are very careful. All these things they are doing is just to deny him justice and to delay him in DSS custody. But for sure, I am assuring Biafrans and I'm assuring you who is speaking to us today that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu definitely will come out. They just, what they are doing is just to delay him and waste his time, and make some of us to feel the way we are feeling right now. So my sister, I understand your emotion. Be calm. Nothing is going to happen to our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Only how do you add?
You need to stand on yourself. Stand and work together to work this thing out. So that they can really people. We need to know ourselves. We need to stand for ourselves. We need to be together. To achieve our goal. We have suffered enough. Because we have suffered enough of people Nigeria. We have suffered.
It's terrible. It's terrible. We all are suffering. We all are suffering. What is happening now, particularly in Biafra land? When that small bread and a rebel 50 naira, that bread has climbed from 50 naira. That bread now 60 naira. Over another one, even most people in Biafra now won't be able to afford bread. That is how difficult it is. Petrol, for some of you who is not aware, is a liter. A liter is 180 naira. And even a black market, that small, that 2 liter is 200 naira. The suffering is everywhere. We understand that, and that is why our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is where he is as we speak now. And I am happy for some of the things that he said. He said, and I quote, he said that he is here today because of our people. And when that thing came out from his, I was shedding tears. It was too much. I couldn't finish watching the video. He said again that he will remain here until Biafra is restored. So my sister, thank you so much. I want you to be calm. All of us are suffering the same thing. Be calm. I understand your emotion. We all are feeling it here. Just be calm. But like I said before, the zoo government can never harm our leader. What they are doing is just to suffer him and delay the coming of Biafra and detain him there where he is. What they are doing in general is just to put him somewhere and shut him up. That's just what they are doing. They are not going to do him anything. Thank you so much, my sister. Only how's it add?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you all the way from Lagos. Thank you so much, our beautiful sister who reached us all the way from Lagos. Thank you, my sister. Thank you so much. Stain, are you there? Let's have Stain. Are you there? Unmute yourself, please. If your mic is mute, unmute and you speak to us. Stain, are you there? Are you there, Stain? I will have to remove you. When you are ready to speak, you rejoin again. Now let's have Nwa Nwa Chineke.
Onye isi
Ndewo. Ele ebe si na join anyị.
esikwe m Cross River wee na-join anyị o.
Isi ebe?
Esi m Cross River, ị na-anụ ife m na-ekwu?
Okay, isi Cross River, yes.
Abụ m afọ m bụ Mazi Nwa Chineke Ezeọra Uche Ezuike.
Ndewo, my brother, go ahead. Can you nwere ikwu concerning what happened today at Federal High Court?
Ihe m na-ekwu bụ na ha na-eme n'efu, ndị zoo ha na-eme n'efu, ife ha na-eme bụ mgbe okpuru ma ha na-eme n'efu. Ọ bụrụ na inyocha si afụ ka ha chọrọ ime, uche ha bụ ka ha islamize obodo a, ndị zoo, mana ha mara na.
Please reduce the volume of your device at the background, please.
Okay. Uche ha bụ ị na-anụ ife m na-ekwu?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Uche ha bụ ka ha mee onye ọbụla ka ha bụrụ ndị na-akpọ isi anyị, mana ọ ya ha ekwe ha agbakọtaghị anyị mgbe okpuru ma o kwere ha. Onye ndu anyị bụ nnukwu mmadụ agụ na-eche ibe, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu etere ugbo etere ose, ọ ga-enwerata onwe ya n'aha Chineke abịa m.
Ise.
Ana m ekenekwa ndị lọya, onye dịka Maazị Ejimakọ na ndị ọzọkwa. Na-ekenekwa ndị niile mara ọkwa, ndị niile na-etinye aka ka afọ na onye ndu anyị pụtara. Ma uche fa bụ ka ha jide onye ndu anyị ka atụsịa election 2023, mana etere ugbo etere ose. Ifụ na onye ndu anyị emepechago onye ọbụla anya, ma ndị Yoruba emepesịa n'anya maka ihe onye ndu anyị mere ka onye ọbụla ghọta ife na-eme n'obodo a. Na ife na-ekwu?
Ama na ị na-ekwu, go ahead.
Ọ bụrụ na inyecha ọfụma about 3-4 days ago, ifu na one barrister Umuribo, onye nke yi akwa dibia wee gaa n'ụlọ ikpe.
Yes. We saw the video.
Yes, so he actually did it purposely because the zoo are trying to Islamize Nigeria, and with that effect, if they go against it, they know they cannot go against that man, because that man is actually, if they go against it, they're going against their own judgment. So they can never amambu posia we rukwaracha. Otu ka ọ dịkwa n'ikpe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ife ọbụla mere onye ndu anyị, pin ọbụla dapụrụ ya n'arụ, ọ ga-afụ ụfụ n'arụ. Ana m ekene onye ọbụla, ekene gị nwa na-achịkọba ihe a niile na-eme na ife a na-aga ọfụma. Ana m ekene unu.
Ndewo, my brother. Thank you so much. All right, we're beginning to wind down. For some of you that's just joining the program, we just finished hearing from our brother who called us all the way from River State. In case maybe you're just wondering what is going on, maybe you have no idea of what we are doing here. What we are doing is we are updating Biafrans of the outcome of some of the things that happened at Federal High Court today. We've had our barrister Aloy Ejimako. He has spoken to us, and we had barrister Sam Ezekume, who is the leading counsel for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Have showed us that video where he spoke to us. If maybe you've missed any of this, you've not maybe seen any of these videos, there is still another video that I shared, video of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where he addressed us, where he, in 2 sentences, he told us to be calm. If you've not seen any of these videos, please go right on our page. You will see all of this information, and you will still see a useful article some of the things that you need to know, some of information, some of the things that are happening concerning this trial. All of these things is on our Facebook page. Go there, follow us on our page, read some articles, and some of the things that some things that you've missed out. Then, like some videos that are shared here, if you've not seen them, you can have a playback after this program, then you will get to see all of those videos. But I will do my best to see if I will be able to cut the videos short and upload them on our page, so some of you who maybe probably are at work will be able to get to watch those videos later. I won't be able to take some of you again, or maybe to have some of you again. Just like I've said before, we are trying to wind down, we're trying to close the program, because we've been on for 2+ hours. We've been on here for a very long time, so we're going to stop the program. Probably we're going to come on again if there is any new updates. For a recap, let me quickly recap this for some of you that's just joining. In case maybe there's something you miss, I am going to read you an update. What really happened, how the zoo government and somebody who is presiding over the case, what they said concerning the bail that was denied today at Federal High Court. Let me see if I will be able to see that article. But like I said before, if you want to do the reading yourself, you can just go on our page. We have all the informations there, including pictures, videos, and whatnot. Just go there, you will see all of those things. You have them yourself, all to yourself. But nevertheless, I'm going to let me just do this one, and we will close and probably come back again. Let me see if I will be able to see the article. Just give me a moment. Let me see. All right, here it is. This is update. If you want to see the update, like I've said before, you can quickly go on Barrister Aloy Ejimako's page on Facebook and Twitter. He tweeted it and he posted it on his Facebook page as well. And this is what he has to say. He said, and I quote, June 28th update. Sadly, the judge has denied bail to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on grounds that for 4 years nothing was filed in her court to explain why Onyendu did not attend his trial. She said she is open to considering a new application for bail, and she granted a stay of the criminal proceedings. This is updates from Barrister Aloy Ejimako. This post was made about I think an hour ago. So if you want to see the article, if you want to do the reading yourself, kindly go on our page and you will see the article right there. You do the reading yourself. So that is it pretty much. Like I've said before, I won't be able to bring some of you on anymore because we are trying to wind down. We're trying to close for today's program. We've been on for 2 hours plus, and we'll be back again in the evening if there is more updates. So check out, just go on our page. You will see some videos, pictures of our leaders, and all the information that maybe you're looking at for. Probably we'll come back in the evening to do a recap for some of our brothers who probably might be at work, or people who are in a different time zone. I know we have our brothers who live in Australia, we have people who stay in India, and we have a lot of people who live in different parts of the world, and probably some of them are sleeping and some already are at work. So we'll come back in the evening and we'll do a recap. My name still remains Mazi Udochukwu. Ohi Biafra. I thank all of you for joining on today's program. Share the program, share it wide and far, so other people will be able to see all of these things that we've talked about today, all the pictures that we've shared, all the information. In case maybe you just joining, like I've said, you can have a playback of this video after this program. You can have a playback and you will see all the things that unfold at Federal High Court Abuja today. All hail Biafra. Goodbye. Remain blessed, stay calm, and I will see all of you in the next one. All hail Biafra.